These Roblox channels are absolutely exploding right now. They're posting AI-generated shorts and printing thousands of dollars a month. I just started my own Roblox channel too, and guess what? One of my videos already hit 250,000 views. And of course, but in this video, I'm giving you the entire secret recipe for free. How to make Roblox shorts using only free AI tools. But first, you just got trolled. Now let's get into the real value, how to actually go viral so you never get stuck at 0 views. And no, you don't need to buy an aged YouTube account. Look at this channel right here. Created just 1 month ago, already at 1.6 million subscribers and 310 million views. The new YouTube algorithm is on fire. It proves that literally anyone can blow up on YouTube right now. Here's another one. Launched 3 months ago. 1.3 million subscribers, 1 billion views. Shorts usually pay around 10 cents per 1,000 views, so a billion views equals about $100,000. People think shorts don't pay because the RPM is low, but when you're pulling billions, it doesn't matter, it stacks fast. Before I show you how to create these AI videos, let's understand why these channels are blowing up. The channel Bolt hit 1.5 million subscribers in 1 month. Why? Because it uploads Roblox shorts. Roblox is one of the most played games on the planet. Over 1 billion kids play it. That means YouTube has a giant audience hungry for Roblox content, and Bolt isn't the only one. Tons of channels are pulling 100 million plus views doing the exact same thing. Today, I'll show you how to make these shorts step by step and how to get millions of views just like them. Go to YouTube, search Roblox Shorts or AI Roblox, filter by this month, sort by view count, instant gold mine. You'll see videos hitting 10 million, 30 million, 80 million views just this month. Study them. Look at titles, captions, facial expressions, emotional hooks. You'll notice patterns like, she tried to troll me, POV, you got slapped, this girl can't stop losing. Each one is a mini story, setup, reaction, twist. For example, Yao, she tried to troll me, ask, what happened in the clip? Why did people click? Where's the moment that made them stay? You can recreate that exact storyline in games like Slap Battles, Brookhaven, Tower of Hell, etc., and it will still work. Open ChatGPT and tell it, give me 20 funny or emotional Roblox short video ideas, then store all ideas in Google Sheets or Notion. If you want to post 3 shorts a day, plan 90 ideas for the month. Find a high-quality viral Roblox short, open in 1080p, pause on a clear, expressive face. Screenshot it. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a V3 video description prompt that stays consistent for your AI facecam scenes. Even the free version works fine for text prompts. ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use prompt for your AI facecam. Go to Google V3. Pro tip, sign up with a new email. Get 100 free credits. 2 to 3 seconds of video equals only a few credits. You can create a ton of clips for free. Paste your prompt. Add your custom dialogue like, she laughs and says, that's so lame. Select text to video. Hit generate. Boom. Google V3 gives you 2 versions, usually clean reactions you can place anywhere in your story. Download OBS. Free. If you're on Windows 11, the built-in recorder is perfect. Record gameplay in the Roblox game ChatGPT recommended for your story. Open. CapCut. Drop in your gameplay. Cut every boring or still moment. Add AI facecam clips exactly where the reactions make sense. Then add clean, readable text captions describing the action. Viewers stay even with the sound off. Step 7. The secret sauce for virality: use trending music, but add it directly inside YouTube Shorts, not from outside downloads. Otherwise, you risk copyright strikes. And that's the full formula. If you want the exact prompts I used, check my Telegram channel.